I'm JD Claridge, CEO of Xcraft, and I want to show you the Maverick Mapper. So this is case comes in, and there's the drone. Get some cool stickers and some instructions in there. Obviously the drone, battery, SkyDroid controller, charger, and then some extra cables and things here. So to put the battery in, you want to take and kind of set it here, and then slide it forward, plug it in, and then just set the drone down so it's not moving for a little while, and it'll boot up. And you'll get that tone that it's working and booted up. And this has a battery indicator on it so you can see the status. Just press that button, you see the status of your battery. See the gimbal working. So to turn on the SkyDroid, that's this. You press this and then press again and hold, and then you'll hear that beep and the power come up. So there's a use a tablet with this normally to see all your indications, and typically that's an Android tablet, but you can use an iPad too, as long as we recommend using Q Ground Control, which is available. It's just open source software. So the controls that we have set up by default on this is your mode switch, and in the top position it's in stabilized mode, so that's going to fly kind of like an un-GPS controlled drone. And then middle position is loiter, so that's going to fly like most drones you're aware of, where it is using GPS and it'll hold position even in wind. And then all the way down we've got it set up so that's auto mode, so if you pre-programmed a flight plan, it'll fly that. And then this button we've got set up to change the position of your camera. So right now it's going straight out. Moving it halfway moves it kind of 45 angle, and then moving it straight down, moves the camera straight down, and it'll hold that position no matter what the drone is doing. And that's typically where you're gonna usually map with it, is in that position, but sometimes you may want other positions. There's two connections on the Mapper camera. There's a GPS connection here. Just make sure that's seated all the way, and then this is the trigger cable, so this triggers the camera. So when you fly, you want to actually turn this on, and you just press and hold this power button to turn on the camera till it beeps, and then you want to set your camera up. By default, the way we ship it, it's set up to map and just start going, but you may want to adjust settings, and we include the survey mapping Survey 3 manual for doing that. The SD card for the camera is right there, and that's usually how you transfer the images, is you pull that out. And then to take the camera off, you just unscrew this screw right here, and the whole camera come out, and then you unplug those. Make sure you get these plugged back into the same spots. So that's kind of the drone overview. I'm going to unplug the battery here. You just pull that out, and then same thing to turn the power off on the drone. You just press once, press again, and hold, and then it shuts off. So this is the charger. To charge the battery, you want to use a cable that's in here. So plug in the charger into the wall with that, and then use this cable to actually charge the battery. So you plug that in right here, and then you take your battery and you plug that in right here, charge the battery. And it takes about 45 minutes to fully charge a battery with this charger if it's completely dead. That's pretty much the overview of the Maverick Mapper. Again, to shut off this camera, you press and hold this button again until it beeps, and then it's shut off. And that's the Maverick Mapper.